Good morning, guys. How is everybody doing? Thank you for clicking on this video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing and share this video. Also, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. I'm here at the farm this very early morning, and as you can see, it's foggy everywhere. It's foggy around the farm. The time here is 6 in the morning. We just came to do some cleaning and feeding, so we'll come back here around 3 in the afternoon and then do another cleaning. Thank you very much for clicking once again. Bye bye.